So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a partial or a full refund on Airbnb. So go to airbnb.com, you'll see the Airbnb logo, the search in the middle, as well as your account once you're logged in using your email and password in the top right corner. Through there you can see some offers for renting out stays, and once you've rented out something you can find it on your past trips through here, and you can go ahead and click on the resolution center. Now, an interesting thing to point out is for Airbnb resolution center is that it may not apply to everything. So some things you're entitled to a refund, some not. So if you'd like to request a refund before or after your trip, refund requests of any amount can be handled through their resolution center. So you don't have to talk with certain hosts if you don't feel comfortable enough. Just to note, it may not be available to use with some hotel stays. So through here, you can go to the resolution center through this article. So click on this, and you have up to 60 days after your reservation's checkout date to submit a resolution center request. One thing to note, you may need to add a payment method before sending or requesting money through the resolution center. So through that resolution center, it actually just it's used to help you out get the money if you feel you've been scammed or you feel you're entitled to a refund. You can also go to the help center and talk with Airbnb's help to get that refund. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Airbnb or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.